You're home, finally.
What makes you think I wouldn't come home? I pay the bills here.
Oh, come on, Kani. I'm just glad that you're home. Can you at least give me that?
No, I can't give you anything anymore. You can never give me my life back. Not after all the lies, stories, and stress you put me through. I can't even believe that I'm your wife.
And what about you? I put up with just as much as you did. Your credit card bills, bankruptcy, and losing your first company. Let's not forget who put in money for your business. And on top of that, you threw it all away for not one but two of your former employees. One of them became a woman after what you did. You can't take back what you did to Alan.
Oh my God. You make me sick, Marvin. I can't take this anymore. When I get back from this business trip, I want you out of my house. I want a divorce.
Kani, you know we can't keep fighting like this. I don't want a divorce and neither do you. I'll go to a hotel tonight and we will sort things out when you get back.
Fine, whatever.
You look happy.
Especially after these last few days. You're quite the charmer.
Oh really, Mrs. Washington? You haven't seen nothing yet. Wait till we get home.
You're just full of surprises, aren't you, Mr. Washington?
I am.